Hi, Dr. Kiska here with Precision Health again, and we're going to review the comprehensive blood analysis for Precision Health with a focus on early stage disease detection, of which we're going to check for 5 early stage disease markers. And if these markers are high before we start nutritional programs or start to get these people back to health, we really need to normalize these early stage disease markers or have good reason as to why they're elevated. So to review these markers, our first one that we review is LDH. This is LDH. I'm in the normal level here. LDH is in every cell in your body. If we have a breakdown of a lot of cells, it tells us there's cell death somewhere. It doesn't tell us where, but we really need to, investigate that. The other one is creatine kinase. Creatine kinase will go up in marked heart disease, certain cancers, and it goes up with marathon runners and power lifters. But we want to see that in a normal range, and we don't want to see a maintained high level at that. So our creatinine kinase is right here. I'm actually a little low in that area, which is fine. We're not worried about a low creatinine kinase. Another one, number 3, would be C-reactive protein. C-reactive protein is going to tell us there's abnormal inflammation somewhere in the body, and I can say that every tumor that I've found through blood analysis has had a high C-reactive protein. Here's our C-reactive protein is 1 out of 10, and this is a 1, so I'm within a very normal range here. We also don't want to see high ferritin. Ferritin is stored iron. It's indicative of liver disease. It's indicative of a slow bleed somewhere. So if we're taking testosterone, we know we're going or an anabolic steroid, we know we're going to have a high ferritin level with that, and we need to knock that out. But we need a really good explanation as why our ferritin is high. And my ferritin is high within the healthy ranges, but I'm well within the normal ranges. So I'm going to call it this is a normal finding. The last but not least is our SED rate. Every disease that there is has a high SED rate. So when we look at SED rate, my SED rate is 2 out of 30. It's in the perfectly ideal range. So out of all the 5 different early stage disease markers, I am well within the normal range there. So now I can basically say, look, I don't have any signs of an early stage disease, and now we can work on getting my nutritional protocol in order and taking care of any blood imbalances that I have now, knowing that I pretty much have a clean bill of health. And this is how we start our healthcare programs. And everybody needs to understand this and should have these early stage disease markers checked. So until our next video, I'm signing off. I'm Dr. Kiska, and thank you for your time.